Hi, welcome to Walton Haven Model Railway. This week I've been building my Christmas present, which is the Metcalfe warehouse kit. I'm really happy how they turned out. In future I would like to add lighting and some interior items so they don't look abandoned. There's still the bridge section to fit in there, but I think I'll wait until I've finished doing internal items. In the front here will be a couple of sidings, and I think I'd like some sort of loading bay, loading dock from here. The items from the warehouse can be loaded onto wagons. I've also been doing a bit of scenery for using paper towels and PVA to create the basis for the embankments. The only downside is these take quite a while for the PVA glue to dry, so they've been sitting about 3 or 4 days now and there's still wet patches. I've also tried scratch building a station halt platform. It's just sitting there at the moment. I'll need to create some little legs, but it's a bit of framework underneath and planking. These are just coffee stirrers that I've cut and scored to make them roughly plank width. I'll need to get little legs various places so that I can get it a nice level, and then some sort of steps to come down, as well as probably go for the LMS style fencing around the edges. And the little Hornby halt building I'll try painting to try and make it not look as plastic. Can't guarantee it, but I'll try. Thank you for watching Walton Haven Model Railway. Goodbye.